Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take the coyote out. We're going to work on several food plots on our Southern Illinois project. So why don't you join us? The coyote should do quite well. All right, let's get going.
All right, so this was one of the last micro food plots that we're finishing here, and it's in a low spot. It's butted up next to a low spot. So I had to do a little bit of loader work because this was standing water here where the RX is right now. And this is a really tiny little plot, so it's going to be tight spacing. But let's see how the big RX does in this little bitty food plot.
All right, I'm not sure if we're still rolling or not. But here's an after look at the very last micro plot that I worked up. Now it's time to finish planting the last few. This is definitely one of the wetter plots because it's bordering a bottom here. We got a hardwood edge right there, if you could see them big trees. And this is kind of where the thicket begins. So looking forward to seeing some germination.
So this was a couple weeks ago. This was the last couple of food plots that we finally finished. We have 8 in total. But as of today, which is May 18th, we just got an update out there today. And these food plots are really pretty and green. Curtis has the footage. I'll get some to you for an update, but we've been doing road work on the property as well. So things are still moving along, so hope you join us for the next update that's coming, because it's really nice to see these things greened up and pretty. And by the way, this is going to go up for auction, this property. If you're new to the channel, it's about 241 acres right now, and it will be listed as an auction, and the auction will be going on probably in 45 to 60 days. It's going to be run through Curtis and Midwest Farm and Land, so definitely stay tuned. And if you are interested in a chunk of property this big and beautiful in Southern Illinois, reach out to me or Curtis Rogers and we can get you in touch with the listing.